welcome back. So today we're going to be making rainbow pancakes. I was about to say donuts. Nope, we've done that before. To celebrate Pride Month because June is Pride Month. I'm not sure if you guys noticed. Oh my god. I changed the Panko Bunny logo to have all the different colors of the rainbow, and I was like, oh my gosh, I absolutely have to do a rainbow rainbow themed recipe this month. So yeah, I decided to make rainbow pancakes because I haven't made those yet. And if you'd like actually some other rainbow recipes, I don't want to just like plug my book, but I guess I am. I have a cookbook that is filled with rainbow recipes, so if you're looking for some other ones, there are I think 85 recipes in there, and I'll have a link in the description box below if you want to check it out. It's also here. It's called Unicorn Food. I was like, should I just like take one of them from the book? But I'm like, no, I'm gonna come up with something original. So we're making rainbow pancakes. This is my favorite pancake recipe ever, and they're so easy to make. So let's get started. Okay, so first I have some flour here, and we're gonna combine the flour with some baking powder and salt. And I will have all the ingredients and everything linked in the description box down below. That was hard for me to say. So if you want to make these, the recipe is down there for you. And I'm just gonna whisk those together. And then in a separate bowl, we are going to add some milk, some melted butter, and an egg. And we're just going to whisk that together. Alright, and then we're going to add the dry ingredients with the sugar that you can also combine with the dry ingredients. I missed that step. I'm like, what is that sugar doing there on the side? Anyways, and then we're just going to whisk it together. You don't have to be too, I guess, thorough in the mixing. It's okay if there are a couple lumps left over. You just want to whisk until all the flour is combined. Sprayed it or whatever across my surface, but luckily that didn't happen. Okay, so now we are going to divide the batter into 6 bowls, and I have rainbow bowls, which is really, really handy when you're dyeing things because it's just like you put the proper color in the bowl. I love it. So, alright, so I'm just going to evenly divide the batter up. And if you're looking for some other rainbow recipes, I have a ton on this channel. Like in addition to the cookbook. So I'll have the playlist linked at the end of the video if you want to check it out, full of rainbow recipes. What do I have? I have rainbow cheesecake, which is one of my favorite recipes, as well as 2 different kinds of rainbow donuts. One that is like a baked donut recipe, and then one that's fried, and it's filled with rainbow pudding. So when you bite into it, like all the colors of the rainbow come out of the inside of the donut. It's fabulous. What else? I also have rainbow ice cubes that I made a while ago as well. So yeah, there's a ton of stuff. So if you're looking for some more rainbow desserts and ideas, I have them for you. Alright, so now that everything is nicely divided up, I am going to dye the pancake batter, the colors of the rainbow. And my favorite food coloring is, to wipe my hand off first. It's the Wilton Color Right food coloring. I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to pick it up off of Amazon. It gives the most vibrant colors without adding a ton of food coloring, which I really, really like. And yeah, it's wonderful. So I really recommend it. The shade pink. I usually use pink instead of red just because I find it's like a softer rainbow. I like that kind of look, but you can obviously use red if you like. So I'm gonna go get some stirring instruments and I'll be right back. Alright, there we go, and we are done dyeing the donut. Not the donut dough, I don't know why I keep saying donuts. We're done dyeing pancake batter, the colors of the rainbow. So now we're going to get a frying pan out and make our pancakes. Alright, so I have my frying pan up here, and I'm just going to spray it with some Pam cooking spray. And that might take me a lot. The reason why I use Pam instead of butter, you can use butter. Butter will probably make it taste better. I just like it because it gives a nice even coating to the frying pan. I don't know, I'm in a really weird mood right now. So yes, I'm on my second coffee of the day. That's probably why. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for it to heat up over medium heat, and then we are going to get going on our pancakes. All right, so the pan is getting warm, so now I'm going to dollop maybe about half of the pink mixture. It totally depends just on like how big you would personally like your pancake stack to be. So yeah, these you could probably get like probably 2 smaller pancakes or 1 big pancake out of each color. Just to let you know if you're making it like for a large group and you want to have more, you want to like double or triple the recipe. And so we're just gonna allow it to cook until it starts to bubble on the surface. Not just one bubble, you want a lot of bubbles on the surface of the pancake. The first pancake usually takes a little longer just because the pan isn't like fully at its like peak temperature yet. So it takes patience. It was years before I learned how to make pancakes. I love this recipe, but I feel like it's because the recipe is good, not because I'm good at making pancakes, that these taste good. Because for the longest time, I got so impatient. Like, I am still pretty impatient. But it would take me, I just get like so impatient, like waiting for the pancake to cook. And then I flip it over too soon, so I want it to be done. And then like it wouldn't be done. Or I put the heat up too high, and then it would like get done outside, but the inside would be raw. And like, I just, oh my god, pancakes were such... They were so frustrating for me. But now I've like actually learned how to make them, so it took me ages. But we are finally there, which is good. And I'm not making it today, but I love to add like cream cheese glaze to my pancakes sometimes, and it tastes so good. It is the perfect addition. I made matcha green tea pancakes, I think a couple months ago, I think in April, and I added the cream cheese glaze to those, and it was so good. I love it. I love it on top of pancakes. So I'll have that recipe linked in the cards here if you want to check it out. It's, oh my gosh, it's like my favorite. But yeah, if you have any other requests for like other pancake flavors, definitely let me know. I think Nutella pancakes are probably something that I should be doing because everyone loves Nutella. I have like mini Nutella stuffed pancakes, but I don't have like regular ones yet. Same with red velvet, but I do have birthday cake pancakes, but those are actually in the book, which is here. I could have just moved it this way. So yeah, so this is actually the same recipe from the birthday cake pancake recipe in the book. Okay, so now you can see. Can you see? Let me check the other camera. Yes, you can see that there are, I thought patting too much, just walking in here, that there's holes all over the surface of the pancake, which is what you're looking for. So just gonna flip it over. Look at that, it's so vibrant. And I love the first pancake because they're always usually super like pale. So if your batter is colored like today's are, it'll show up nicely. But if it's not, don't worry, like the pink one, it's good that we did the pink one first because that's gonna be like the top pancake. But the sides are usually like significantly brighter than the tops, and when they're stacked, that's what you're gonna see, so don't worry. So yeah, we're just gonna continue cooking, maybe for about 1 to 2 minutes, until like it cooks all the way through. And then we're gonna keep going. So I'm gonna speed this up because you don't need to be here for like half an hour watching me make pancakes. So I'll see you guys when they're all done. Okay, so I finished making them. So now we're just going to stack them on the plate. So we're starting with purple. I mean, I could use my hands, but there. And then blue. I always get messed up. What comes before blue? Green, and if you really want the color to shine, depending on like which way the pancake is going to be facing, like when you're serving it to the person, you can kind of push them towards the front, so that they can see like that nice clean stripe of color. That's it. And then lastly we have pink. There we go. How cute does this look just like this? Oh my gosh, I love it, I love it, I love it. And I realized I am like almost out of whipped cream. I think we're like pretty close to the end. So fingers crossed that there's enough because it's gonna look so sad. There's just like a spray of whipped cream on here and nothing else. Oh god. Oh my god, it like just, did you hear that? It like just ran out. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay. So now I'm going to add some rainbow sprinkles. Because why not? It looks so much cuter with sprinkles. And I also have some homemade sprinkles from my cookbook. The recipe is in the cookbook. And they're rainbow, but they're pastel, and I thought that it would be really cute to just like add as well for like a little touch of different texture. I love like mixing and combining different kinds of sprinkles. I think it's so cute. Okay, so now we're gonna get into it. I'm so excited. This is actually my dinner tonight, so I have to be patient and cut it in a pretty way so that I can take the sliced photo. So good, oh my gosh. And happy Pride Day. I love you all so much. If you'd like to see some other rainbow recipes, I will have the playlist linked here. Let me know in the comments down below if you're making anything for Pride. Let me know what you're making. I'm so curious and I would love to see or like hear what you're making. Every year in Toronto there is a huge Pride Parade and it's so wonderful and amazing. And if any of you guys are still struggling with coming out or you haven't told anybody or you just want somebody to talk to and you can't talk to anybody like close to you, you're more than welcome to message me anytime on YouTube, or usually Instagram is probably the easiest. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that there is somebody that you can talk to if you don't feel like you have anybody to talk to. I'm always here to listen and to chat. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and yeah, I hope you have a fantastic Pride, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. Oh, also, I also uploaded my New York City vlog today instead of Friday, because I'm trying to get my life together, but it is taking a couple days. So it will be up, it will have already been up at the time that you're watching this video, so it's probably going to be linked here if you guys, because it's the most recent video, but if not, it's on my channel, so go check it out. It's a long one, so if you want to just like watch something while you're doing your makeup in the morning, or just want to sit down and like have a cup of coffee and watch a video, that video is ready for you. So anyways, I love you guys so much, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Bye!